Question 26. Which state in India has become the first state to enact a law banning sexual exploitation of women by those in positions of authority having a fiduciary relationship or a public servant? The year 26 answer to C. Jammu and Kashmir. Ani. Question number 27. Where did President Ram Nath Kovind inaugurate the 12th Global Healthcare Summit on 28 December 2018? 27 answer to C. Mumbai. 28. Which was the first city to introduce ROADEO rodeo, the robot which will assist the pedestrian, especially children, while crossing the roads on 14 January 2019? 28 answer to B. Pune. 29. Which of the following internal personalities was the chief guest at the 2019 Republic Day Parade of India? 29 answer to D. Cyril Ramaphosa. Question 30. Which state chief minister launched One Family, One Job scheme on January 12, 2019? Answer A. Sikkim. 31. Which city traffic police launched the mobile application named Police EI for the public to report on traffic violations to police and to keep a check on the same on 7th January 2019? 31 answer C. Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. 32. The tropical cyclone Pabuk has recently struck. 32 answer D. Thailand. Name the country that passed a law to make Islam compatible with socialism and sinicize it within next 5 years? 33 answer to C. China. 34. Which country introduced a new GAFA tax named after Google, Apple, Facebook and Amazon to ensure that the companies pay a fair share of tax in Europe on 1st January 2019? 34 answer to C. France. 35. Who was sworn in as the 42nd President of Brazil? D. Jair Bolsonaro. 35 answer to D. 36. Where is the world's oldest yoga institute, whose centenary celebration were inaugurated by the President Ram Nath Kovind? 36 answer to D. Mumbai. The biggest economy in the world in terms of GDP purchasing power parity is? 37 D. China. 38. Which of the following countries have launched a common digital currency, ABER? 38 answer B. UAE and Saudi Arabia. 39. Which city was named as the World Capital of Architecture for 2020 by UNESCO? 39 answer to D. Rio de Janeiro. 40. The country where at least 68 people died due to the storm Usman on December 30, 2018. 40 answer to A. Philippines. Who is appointed as the new Chief Information Commissioner? 41 answer A. Bimal Julka. 42nd. The first archaeological excavation site in Mizoram is Kotsuaro Puiet. 42 answer to A. Wangchia. 43. The bill which aimed at making the Islamic practice of instant divorce a penal offense and passed in the Lok Sabha recently is? 43 answer to A. Triple Talaq Bill. 44. The Luminaries is written by A. Eleanor Catton. 45. Playing It My Way is an autobiography by answer C. Sachin Tendulkar. 46. Biography of Napoleon was written by A. Andrew Roberts. 47. Name the author of the book Kalungkam. 47. Answer to B. Bilal Tangliana. 48. Who wrote the satanic verse? Answer A. Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie. 49. India wins freedom in an autobiography of 49. D. Abdul Kalam Azad. 50. Who wrote the book The Paradoxical Prime Minister Narendra Modi and His India? 50. Answer to A. Shashi Tharoor. 51. The ICC has suspended which Indian bowler from bowling in international cricket? 51. Answer to C. Ambati Raidu. 52. British Andy Murray announces retirement from which sport on 11 January 2019? Answer A. Tennis. 53. Thomas Cup is related to D. Badminton. 54. Which of the following cities is going to host Asian Games 2022? 54. Answer to D. Guangzhou, China. 55. Lal Remsiam is associated with which of the following sports? Answer D. Hockey. 56. Which country won the first Men Hockey World Cup Championship at the 14th edition of the Hockey World Cup held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha from 28 November to 16 December 2018? 56. Answer to A. Belgium. 57. Who is the winner of India's first gold medal at 2018 Summer Youth Olympics in Buenos Aires? 57. Answer to C. Jeremy Lalrin Nunga. 58. What is the full form of CBSE? 58. Answer C. Central Board of Secondary Education. 59. What is the full form of ATM? D. Automated teller machine. 60. MUP stand for 60. C. Mizoram Upapol. 61. Interpol stand for 61. Answer A. International Criminal Police Organization. 62. GST introduced by Government of India is 62. Answer C. Goods and Service Tax. 63. AVBD full form is 63. Answer B. Association for Voluntary Blood Donation. 64. Which rainforest is sometimes called as the lungs of the earth and produce about 20% of the world's oxygen? 64. Answer to C. Amazon rainforest. 65. Which is called Aizawl of palms? Which is called Aizawl of palms? 65. Answer to B. Bahrain. 66. Pink City is the title assigned to A. Jaipur. Which is called Flower Garden of Europe? 67. Answer to A. Netherlands. 68. Silicon Valley of India is answer A. Bengaluru. 69. Finland is also called 69. Answer to D. Land of Thousand Lakes. 70. Gateway of India is 70. Answer C. Mumbai. Who was conferred with the 2019 Bharat Ratna Award, India's highest civilian honor? 71 answer A. Pranab Mukherjee. 72 who was crowned as Miss India Worldwide 2018 at 27th annual global pageant held in the fourth city of New Jersey, United States on 15 December 2018. 72 answer to B. Sri Saini. 73 who was the first Mizo to win Padma Bhushan Award. 73 A. Captain L.Z. Silo. 74 who was the first recipient of Bharat Ratna. 74 answer A. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. 75 Arjuna Award is given to which of the following field? Arjuna Awards D. Sports. 76 who won Nobel Prize Peace in 2018? 76 answer C. Denis Mukwege. Nadia Murad. 77 the Nobel Peace Prize 2018 was awarded jointly to C. Thau, Denis Mukwege and Nadia Murad. 78 social entrepreneur of the year 2018 went to A. Prima Gopalan, inventor of telescope. 79 answer to B. 80 who invented atoms? 80 answer to C. John Dalton. 81 inventor of calcium. C. 82 laptop is introduced by? 82 answer to A. 83 who invented penicillin? D. Alexander Fleming. 84 car petrol is invented by? B. 85 ball pen is invented by? B. 86 paper clip is invented by? A. Johann Waller. 87 America is discovered by? 87 B. Christopher Columbus. 88 who invented web? Answer B. 89 which of the following is a temporary memory? 89 answer B. RAM, random access memory. 90 1 terabyte 1 TB is equal to? C. 1024 GB. The printed output from a computer is called? 91 answer to C. Hard copy. If a computer provides database service to other, then it will be known as? 92 answer C. Database server. 93 who is known as father of computer? C. Charles Babbage. 94 WAN stands for? 94 answer to A. Wide area network. 95 the resolution of printer is measured in? 95 answer to B. Dots per inch. The most popular desktop publishing DTP software in Mizoram is? 96 A. PageMaker. 97 a computer stores information in the? 97 C. Hard disk. 98 you create a new document. You want to copy the text to other document. After selecting text on the first document, you have to press a combination of keys on the other document. 98 answer. 98 answer E answer dik omchi alavina langani. 99 to print the given document, the keyboard shortcut is? 99 answer to C. 100 Windows is? Answer to C. An operating system.